So this was a really steep hill. If you compare the trees to the angle of the Jeep, you can see that it was just really steep. So if you listen close, you can hear the transfer case like being really mad at us. It's the chain, it's way too loose. We need to replace that the next time we go here. And I'm sure we will make it up this hill then, but not for now, nah, not gonna happen. So this is a perfect example of me being stupid. I didn't really had my right foot on the gas and yeah, the angle was way off. But yeah, things happen. I bad lockers made all the difference here, so maybe something to put on our wish list.
Nee, je had geen grip bij dat wiel.
If you look and listen close, you can hear and see the side steps working very well.
En nou rechtdoor. Rechtdoor. Ja, is goed. Ja, side step.
And look at this, would you?
Gaat goed.
In a couple of seconds there's just, I don't know, it's like my finger can't even fit between the car and the side bank at the right side. And in the meantime, a certain someone just found it funny to get my cap. So that's all the noise you hear in between.
Net. Dat gaat net. Rij maar eens voorzichtig.
Wow, that's just inches in that. And actually a mate of mine was driving and he did perfectly. Good drive, mate. So again, a mate of mine was driving and he's all about like getting up. Not make it is like not an option, even though the transfer case is really mad at us now.
Eén keer. Waar maar beleid.
Look at that, pedal to the metal, good drive.
Woohoo!
He said you feel the same, but I don't believe a word you say, 'cause I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay.